Move over because we're making this calm white-black spotted clay cow today. Start by shaping a ball of white clay into a rounded oval for the head. Now get your black pins and stick them evenly on the face. And for a playful design, just randomly place black clay on the head. Make a pink oval for the snout and attach it to the lower part of the face. Shape 2 teardrops, one white and white black for the ears, and attach them on the side of the head. And let's not forget the yellow small cones for the horns. Roll a white clay and shape it into an oval and add black spots to the body just like what you did for the head. Use white for the top and black for the hooves and make 4 cylinders for the legs. Attach them to the body, making sure the cow looks seated. Lastly, roll a thin strip of white clay and add a small black tip. Great job! Your black and white spotted clay cow is all complete. Follow us for all things clay.